Calculate the slope of the line passing through -1, 4 and -1, 0. We're going to use the same formula for slope. Slope is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, y2 is 0 and y1 is 4. So in the numerator, we're going to have 0 minus 4. In the denominator, x2 is -1. It's the x-coordinate of the second point. So we've got -1 minus, and x1 is also -1. So it's going to be -1 minus -1. Now, in the numerator, 0 minus 4 is -4. In the denominator, whenever we are subtracting a negative, it's the same as adding. So we can rewrite the denominator as -1 plus 1. Now, when we do that addition, -1 plus 1 is 0. So the slope is -4 over 0. But we know that we can't divide by 0. Anytime we do that, gives us an undefined quantity. So in this case, the slope is undefined. Now, that might seem weird, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to look at what this line looks like. Let's take a look here. We have an xy plane. The first point, -1, 4, if we plot that, it's to the left 1 and up 4. So -1, 4 is going to be right there. -1, 4. The second point, -1, 0, is going to be to the left 1, and since the y-coordinate 0, we're not going up or down, we're staying right there. So that point's there. If we connect these dots to draw a line, and I'm not doing the best job drawing this straight, it is a little bit difficult on my iPad, but if you look at that line, it is a vertical line. And anytime we have a vertical line, we say the slope is undefined. It doesn't make sense to talk about how steep a vertical line is. It's kind of like a cliff. If you were standing at the bottom of it, looking up, it might look like it's infinitely steep, so you might be inclined to say that the slope is infinity. But if you're standing at the top looking down, you might say that the slope is -infinity because it's decreasing at an infinitely quick rate, and neither of those makes more sense than the other. So in a situation like this, we just say that the slope is undefined. So if we ever have a vertical line, the slope is undefined. And if we ever do the calculations to see that the slope is undefined, that also tells us that it is a vertical line.